back out working on the bike. It's been a while. Weather's been really cold. I'm in a metal tin can here, so not that great. Anyways, got a wood stove here. Gonna get this going, and then we're going to get working on the bike. Okay, get some warmth going on here. Alright, so how do I get my handlebars? Okay, so got a pair of handlebars here. The handlebars that came out of the bike were Suzuki, so I had to find the right proper ones, and I got the first set I got were bent, so I had to get another pair. Anyways, so I'm working on that. Possible triple tree. I know the previous video showed me installing the handlebars on top of the triple tree. Well, that's taken apart now because I want to put single lights in this bike. So the old one don't have this piece here for single lights. So I got this other one here and got it all painted, ready to go on. So I want to install single lights. So that bike came with and without, so I'm putting single lights on there. So I wanted these two holes here for this to accommodate single lights. So I painted that yesterday, cleaned up, painted it. That's all good. The fenders, I redid some work on the fenders. So now as you see here, this is the front fender. I sanded it and painted it again yesterday. That's with a brush. Believe it or not, that is with a brush. And if you work with the paint a little bit, paint's a little cool, put it on fairly thick, give it lots, don't let it dry in the sun, let it be cold, it'll even out nice and flat. So that's pretty good. These fenders are not the best anyways. They're a little rough, bent up. This one's actually cut off, I think. I think it's supposed to be, I think this fender is supposed to be down here and then another bar going across. I see where it's cut off here. So I think someone's done some modification to it, but it's good for now. I see some chrome ones on eBay I might get later on, but this is pretty good. So I'm happy with that. Nice fender, and this just the rear fender, same thing. It's got a few dents and tweaks here and there. So I painted the back half of it yesterday. Again, I sanded it and I had to cover it, and then again, this is with the brush. So no streaks with a brush is pretty good, right? Here's the difference. Here's the difference in the two tops here. I painted that one silver. I got this one painted gray, matched the fenders and that. So you see the bracket for the single lights. I'm going to show you how the throttle works on this thing. The housing will sit in here. The cable will come through, and the end of the cable will sit in here. If you can see that, if you can imagine that. So of course this is going to stay stationary right here, and as you turn it, this is going to slide back and forth here for the throttle. So I can't assemble that because I don't have any grease here right now. So okay, as I explained earlier, I replaced the top of the triple tree with a different one to accommodate single light. So here I am installing that with the brackets for the handlebars. While I had the wheel off and before I put the fender on, it was a good time to install the horn. So here I am installing the horn. Okay, so the fender is now on, and I'm reinstalling the front wheel and to make final adjustments and tightening up axle. Now I'm getting ready to install the controls on the handlebars and fishing the wire through the handlebar tubes to bring them all down in the headlight bucket to do all the final adjustments or the hookups for the wiring.